Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YRIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis. I think this is now my third day in a row. But regardless, that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And going into the weekend here, wanting to get things updated. Although there's not a whole lot to update. One thing I am going to do is just get rid of this line here. And the reason for that is the overall level of support I've been talking about. That purple line there, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving, has finally, quote-unquote, moved itself back up above that green line there. So because of that, it takes a higher priority. And then from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So that level does still pertain. But like I said, just for simplicity's sake, we'll keep it like this. So again, ideally speaking, what would be the best case going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above that green line there, right around 58 cents. But if the price doesn't hold above it, then not that far below, you have this purple line here, which continues to draw itself higher and higher in the upwards direction, which from the bullish standpoint is exactly how you want to see it act. On the flip side of things, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. This area up here at the red line, valued at 77, still remaining that area of resistance. I guess the price, kind of got close, not really, but got within the ballpark. We'll leave it at that. So we'll see if the price can eventually start to work its way back upwards. But all in all, really, resistance levels don't matter. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. So as long as the price continues to build these higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher lows, and sit back and let the overall trend continue to do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.